Ooh, we are shy. I enjoy being in charge. Having a climatic experience with someone and then going back and enjoying it again. So it's the mountain peaks and the booty cheeks. What do you want to do next?
We're here in Bangkok.
Yes.
Hello.
Hello.
So, who are you?
My name is Jordan. It's my first time here in Thailand. I've already been here one day and I'm loving it.
What do you like about it?
I love the culture and how it's so different from what I'm used to. I love the liveliness of the city. When I cross the street, I feel like I'm about to die. And now we're gonna go explore a new cafe, our first date at the local cat cafe.
So you like cats?
I do.
What's your plan for the whole trip here?
So I'm exploring Bangkok for a couple of days, and then I'm heading down to the island of Koh Samui for about 5 days to enjoy the island and again see the local culture, enjoy the beaches, explore a resort, eat lots of food, and then whatever else comes my way. Are you gonna come my way?
Oh, you will see.
Just wait till after the cafe.
Oh, what are we gonna do after cafe?
That's for me to know and you to find out. We're here at Catnip.
So ready to get high with catnip?
Yes,
So we are already here. Let's see.
that's right.
And after that is the food.
Watch your step. Oh, hi. Do I want matcha or do I want a Biscoff latte? I think I want the strawberry matcha. Thank you. Cheers. This one's so pretty. Where's my...
So you consider yourself more a dog person or a cat person?
That depends. I do like dogs, but I never grew up with any dogs. So I don't love dogs. Does that make sense? I enjoy them, but I don't need them. I did have a cat once with a roommate. Before then, I didn't love cats. But then I had a cat that looks just like this one. And I absolutely loved her. And if I decided to get a pet again, I would lean towards getting a cat. Oh, look how much she loves that. I do love how torn up that chair is from them just clawing at it.
How's your drink?
Just right.
So tell me more about yourself.
I am a full-time fitness professional. So I teach classes, I do personal training, I do management, all sorts of fun things. I love the fitness culture, experiences, helping people meet their goals in a creative and fun way. And also when I'm traveling, I love going to different fitness facilities. I will do that probably in Koh Samui and get a good workout in, go to a fitness class, and just experience how things are different here versus where I'm at.
So you said you're heading to Samui after this, right?
Tomorrow. Yes. So I'm excited.
What are you expecting to do there?
I do want to go explore some of the islands around there, go on a little boat tour, and do some of my photography out in nature. Like I said, I will check out one of the gyms, go to some fitness classes. There's a couple beaches I want to go see. And then I'm staying at a gay resort, so I plan to just relax there, enjoy, unwind, meet some new friends, and just allow myself to unwind.
Which is going to meet a lot of friends.
I hope so.
What's about your name, like Peaks and Cheeks?
When I first started my outdoor photography, I was always doing images of me naked in nature, typically in a lot of the national parks in the USA. And so I usually would do photos with mountains in the background and then my ass right in front. So it was the mountain peaks and the booty cheeks, hence the name Peaks and Cheeks. I still do lots of that photography, but I've also expanded into more modeling, indoor movements, indoor images, videos, but I still, as I travel, do some naked in nature.
So certainly travel is most of your favorite thing to do. Anything else?
That's really how I spend most of my downtime, is traveling, seeing new places. I also, like I said, I love photography, so I go places where I can do lots of landscape photos and seeing what's around. But yeah, typically if I have multiple days off, I'm out of town going somewhere, meeting new people, having new experiences like a cat cafe. I've been to a cat cafe before, but it was in my hometown in the middle of the United States, small town, not a very nice cafe. It was not very good. So this is a much better experience. Hi, look at your little jingle bell. They're just chilling here on the floor. I love this one right here. Hi. Hi. So pretty. Hi. Is that the spot? Oh, no. Ooh, we are shy. Come here. Hi. Oh, this one. This one's a character. You got personality, don't you? Yeah, watch out for that camera.
This camera.
No.
How did you transition to more spicier?
As I was doing my modeling with different photographers, I did lots of solo shoots, but also some duo shoots. And so sometimes they would want us to do scenes together, and if I knew the model, I was comfortable with that. But I needed more of a platform to be able to post that content. I also, before then, had filmed myself multiple times just for my own, because I enjoy watching myself. I enjoy having a climatic experience with someone and then going back and enjoying it again. And so I had lots of material that I used just for me, but I knew others enjoyed watching that as well. So then I started setting up collabs and doing private content. And that's been really a good experience to get to meet so many different people and make those connections. And I've honestly made some really great friends out of it. I've had mostly good and great experiences. And I'm really just enjoyed making those connections as I've traveled. I'm actually I consider myself an extroverted introvert in the way that in the fitness world, I can lead a fitness class of 30 people, be on stage, give them guidance, and be very big and showy. But when I have my downtime, I like to kind of be alone and just enjoy the solitude. Same with traveling. I like traveling solo. I prefer traveling solo. It allows me to have experiences and figure things out, figure out the public transportation, figure out how to get around, figure out where I should go explore on my own. And I think it helps people become a stronger individual. And I prefer that.
What actually inspired you to share or to posting it?
What inspired me to do that was the fact that I looked good doing it. And I knew if I enjoyed it, that there had to be someone else out there who would enjoy watching it also. And there's a lot of people who enjoy that perspective of just being in the room with you and watching and enjoying and seeing two people have a physical and intimate connection. And a lot of people really love just watching that connection. Plus, as a photographer, I enjoy the artistic side of finding different angles or finding the right perspective and making it look as hot as you can. Hey. Come to daddy. Come to daddy. Come to daddy. Come to daddy.
What about your perfect date?
There are certain types of men that I am attracted to. However, I don't let that discourage me from going on a date with someone just because they don't fit that type. I have found that there are certain types of men that I enjoy off to, and then there's other types of men that I enjoy going on dates with, and they typically are not the same. I typically enjoy men that are shorter than me because I like to be a little more dominating. I do like men with a really nice booty, really nice ass. I enjoy being in charge, but at the same time, making sure that they are comfortable and enjoying that. When I am jerking off, I do enjoy big muscular men, but physically I have never enjoyed being with someone who is extremely fit and muscular. But that doesn't mean we can't have a good time. And if we're going on a date, I love food. I love drinks, coffee.
So I did make a smart choice.
Did make a very smart choice.
Oh, okay. 1 point for me.
And I enjoy just having that time to get to know one another. Like, quick hookups are fun at times, but I find that the sexual encounter is more enjoyable when I've gotten to know someone a little bit first.
2 points.
Yes. But I do love food. I'm a huge foodie. So if you take me out to eat or even cook me something, ooh, that's a good time. I also have a huge sweet tooth. I love dessert. Bring me dessert.
Why did you say yes to this date?
Because I wanted to have a really good experience. And your invitation was very kind and considerate and well thought out. And I think after our matchas, we're gonna have a very nice time together. Hi. 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 I like this one. Hi.
So why this pattern is your most favorite?
I know. I just like the stripes. I always feel like this type of cat is always very friendly. I've never had a bad experience with a cat that has this pattern. Oh. And his pretty eyes. It's been really good. I feel very comfortable with you. And I'm very excited to play with your pussy.
You mean this?
Yes!
You mean this? You mean this?
Thank you very much. Hi.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
What do you want to do next?
Thanks for watching. Hit subscribe for more adventures and tell me in the comments who should I ask out for the first date next. Follow our socials for more content, links below. Bye bye.